taking you on a tour of Ardena. This is a new construction community. In fact, they're just building the first spec homes here. Hi, my name is Kristin Wilkinson. I'm a local real estate advisor here in Southwest Florida, taking you on a tour of Ardena, located in North Naples off of Livingston Road. This is a new construction community. In fact, they're just building the first spec homes here. So it's going to be a smaller community, not amenity rich, but you will have private gates and low maintenance, of course. The idea here is to be playing in the community of Naples. So you can see behind me, this is Livingston Road. We have parks and some shopping and dining off of this road and nearby, as well as beaches. Your closest beach is going to be Vanderbilt Beach, located just to your southwest off of Vanderbilt Beach Road, and the new high school in Naples, Florida. This neighborhood will be zoned for that school, so that's exciting. The type of buyer that is looking to move into this community is somebody that is looking for a low maintenance lifestyle. They're looking for something where they have their privacy gate, but also really close to all of the community amenities that Naples offers. I am taking you on a driving tour of Ardena in North Naples. This is a community where home prices are starting in just over $800,000 and going up and over $1 million, close to $2 million. It is worth knowing that the prices that I just mentioned do not include the lot price. I'm seeing lot prices from $150,000 to $300,000, so your lot price is not included there. This community is situated on this big lake. The lake is 6.3 acres. This is a natural gas community. Right now, this looks like just a lot of land, but know that the average home site is about 66 feet by 135 feet and up to 145 feet deep. This is a simple community. It is gated but not manned. The person looking to live in a community like this is somebody that is looking to play outside of the community but also wants privacy with that gate. You are close to biking trails here. You're close to Oaks Farm here. North Collier Regional Park is less than half a mile away. And of course, you have Vanderbilt Beach just to your southwest. They do allow fences as long as you're not on the water. And if you have pets, this is a pet-friendly community as well. Of course, this is with limits. And if you're familiar with CDDs, this community does not have a CDD. This is the lay-in floor plan at Ardena in North Naples. This is a semi-custom home builder. On our left, we're going to see guest space. This is going to be the first of 2 guest bedrooms on the bottom floor. This is the home office. View looking back at the front door. Dining area. We have a little mud room. The garage is behind me. Got storage. So storage in front, garage to the right, more storage, laundry. We're gonna go check out the kitchen. Big kitchen island here. There are 3 different kitchen styles that you can choose from here. This is a natural gas community. And your view of the living room. Big pantry to the far right, along with a morning room. Bay windows. Master bedroom right in front. Big living area. Let's go into the master bedroom. Big bedroom, windows and seating area. Walk-in shower in this model. It's quite large. Double vanity. Water closet, storage. Big master closet. Again, passing the home office, guest quarters with the pocket door, entryway, and staircase. This is an optional loft. In the model, they've opted for the wet bar. This is a secondary living space, downstairs area. To the right, we have storage and utility, and another guest quarters space. And guest bathroom, more storage. You're going to see an alternate view of the community. So you'll see spec homes being built on the right and a couple of to-be-builts. There's the big lake. This is a model, of course, but you do have some higher end finishings like this brick wall. Of course, an upgrade would be this wet bar. This is an example of the pool area here. You do have space under trusses for an outdoor seating area or even a built-in kitchen, as well as a pool bath. This is a portrait lanai screen, meaning that you don't have that bar right in the center, so you have a nice view of what would be the lake or preserve in this community. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour of Ardena in Naples. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My phone number is down below, or you can book a time slot on my calendar. Thanks for watching.